So on the launch step, there's a few things you need to do here. So one, you're going to switch your campaign over to live. Two, you're going to take a note of these warnings over here. So these warnings will let you know when you need to add some new codes for rewards. And it will let you know if there's anything that you need to do in order to keep your rewards program running. So just make sure that you check in on those warnings. Now you can choose to decide to directly integrate with Shopify or use any other shop integration with this code that we're going to add. So I'm going to show you Shopify. The first thing you want to do is add this line of code into your theme, which is, I'm going to show you, once you go into the admin area of your store, you want to navigate to online stores, themes, and then go to the edit code. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this to the theme.liquid file. And as you can see in here, it says to put it just above the body tag. So if I was to copy this, you come over to the theme.liquid, you can do a Control F to find it like that. And you can see here, we've got this in here. So you would just paste your code in there, and then you would want to save that. The next step is to add this line of code to the checkout settings. So you would highlight that and copy that. And then under settings, you would then go to checkout, and you would go down to these additional scripts section here, and you could just paste it in here. And now all of these are already pre-set up for Shopify. If you were to be setting up a different shop, you would just have to replace these variables here with your stores. So if you had a specific variable for the email, transaction ID, price, you would just have to swap those out. And now the last step for the Shopify integration is to connect your store. So all you need to do is click on that and get your store URL. So you can see up here, ours is Gent Class. And so you would put that in there and you would connect your Shopify store. So once that's successfully connected, you will have finished your integration with Shopify. And when you refresh this page, it'll take a second, you'll see that you are connected to your Shopify store. So make sure that you go through that step and process. This is going to be a way to validate transactions and order amounts. So make sure that you are placing this in the right area. If you are doing this in a separate CMS, this just has to go on the thank you page of your transaction. And under here, you'll see that it does say replace the price transaction ID. So let us know in support over here if you have any questions about that. And we can also help you integrate with your shop. So let us know and we can sort that out for you as well.